Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add an external page link to Google Sites. Yeah, the kind of link that takes your visitors to another website entirely. It's simple, but Google hides it a little, so let's walk through it step by step. First, sign into Google Sites and open the site you want to edit. If you haven't logged in yet, just head to sites.google.com and pick your project. Next, look to the right side of the editor and open the Pages tab. This is where all your navigation items live and where we're going to add the external link. Now click the little plus icon at the bottom of the panel. You'll see a few options. Choose the one that says Link. This lets you add an outside page instead of a normal internal one. In the box that pops up, type in the URL of the site you want people to go to. It can be anything: a booking page, a shop, a form, you name it. Then type a short label so it shows up nicely in your navigation. After that, hit Done. Google Sites will drop the link right into your navigation menu. If you want it higher or lower, just drag it around until it sits where you want it. And before you publish, click the preview button at the top. Give the link a quick test. It should open the external site in a new tab, and if it doesn't, yeah, just double check the URL spelling. And that's pretty much it. Adding an external link in Google Sites only takes a moment once you know where everything is. If this helped, feel free to subscribe for more simple guides like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.